Hello everyone, how you all doing? In today's video, we are going to talk about the iPhone XR on the iOS 14.5 and should you install it on your iPhone XR or not? Let's find out in today's video. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. Alright, so I have been using the RC of iOS 14.5 on my device for a while, and RC is the same as the public release. So basically I was whole time using the public release, so I have a better point of view of how it feels after using this device on the iOS 14.5 after a while. First of all, talking about the performance of this device feels really good and I really enjoy using this device now because iOS 14.5 it just feels so smooth and so responsive on the iPhone XR, and the reason Apple delayed iOS 14.5 is because this firmware is now so polished, and in my opinion this is one of the most polished version of iOS 14 ever released till now, because this really feels a great software in general in terms of pretty much every single thing. Well, talking about the one feature that is so hyped about iOS 14.5 is the Mask ID feature. What do I mean? I mean that the feature that allows you using Face ID while wearing a mask. So that feature actually allows you to unlock your device with wearing a mask, and it works really good, and you need an Apple Watch for that. So if you don't really have an Apple Watch, this feature won't work on your device, so you do need an Apple Watch for that. And all those people who are owning an iPhone XR and an Apple Watch, this feature really is a game changer. Trust me, this feature works so good, and especially on upcoming software updates. For example, the iOS 14.6 beta one that I'm using, it is improving so much, and even on iOS 14.5 this feature works so good, and I am pretty sure if you own an Apple Watch and an iPhone XR, you will enjoy using this feature. Talking about the battery life, I managed to end my day with over 25% on my iPhone XR, whereas on earlier firmware such as iOS 14.4, 14.4.1, 14.4.2, I was ending my day with around 15 to 10%. So this do have some battery improvements. Now let's see how to turn on that Mask ID feature on your iPhone. So actually what you have to do is just go into settings, and after going into settings, then you should scroll down and find the Face ID and passcode thing, and after clicking on that you should put in your passcode, and then scroll down a little bit, you will find unlock with Apple Watch, and you can just press on that. That's it. If you have passcode on your Apple Watch, you have to enter the passcode on your Apple Watch too in order to verify, and while wearing, alright, you should wear your watch too at the time, because this does have wearing detection, which is a really great feature, and I really like it because whenever you wear a watch, or if suppose if you are wearing your watch and unlock your device, it unlocks your device, whereas if your watch is on your desk and you passes nearby from your watch and you want your device to be unlocked while wearing a mask and you don't wear your watch at the same time, it won't unlock your iPhone. And after installing this update, I did drop the percentage of battery health, so there is that. But obviously it's not just like if you are going to install this update you will for sure drop your battery health. It is just like whenever you install any update on your iPhone, battery health always gets updated, and if the battery health is dropping, then it will get updated and it will show the dropped percentage whenever you will update your device. So if your battery health is right now at whatever percentage, it may or may not decrease after updating, not even to this firmware. If you are even on iOS 14.1 and you are updating to iOS 14.2, even if you will do that, then also it will update the battery health. So in general, this update is pretty good in terms of every single thing. I really like and enjoy this update. Now talking about the final verdict, should you install this update on your iPhone XR or not? So my opinion is that you should go ahead and install this update on your iPhone XR, because in terms of performance, this update brings in a really great package. Performance is pretty good, the battery life is pretty good, it is better than the previous versions. And then talking about the stability, this update is really stable, and pretty much every single app is optimized for this update, because earlier what happened was when Apple released the iOS 14.4, I remember some apps were crashing on me, but on iOS 14.5. This is not the scene here. iOS 14.5 runs every single app on the iPhone XR, every single thing seamlessly and fluidly. That's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you all, consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel because I do tend to make more videos on this, and I will be coming up with my iPhone 11, iPhone 7 and iPhone 12, all of those devices, covering those devices on iOS 14.5 official version. So if you are owning one of those devices, which is, I don't really think so because you are watching an iPhone XR review, but anyways, if your friend or anyone is owning that device, you can just recommend our channel, right? Peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.